So hi guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, we're going to see one most crucial concept of the NumPy or AI, which is or in the data science, which is cleaning, data cleaning. So I will take this section as data cleaning, data cleaning. So why data cleaning is needed? Say in the while uh, in the data science, we're going to train our models with the data, right? So if there are some values which are missing, so there is a chance of our AI model will get failed. So it is our responsibility to clean the data and give our models a correct and proper way of proper data set, right? So in our previous videos, we have imported sales data, sales CSV data, right? Which like all that in that CS file, all that data is proper. So, but in the real world, it's not like that. There is a in the real world there are some messy kind of data. So the like it can be like where users can enter is miss out to enter the optional field. And also like sense like some sensor is unable to record some recordings and all. So that's why we'll get those data. So now we'll see how we can able to clean that data. First I'll import pandas pd. Here I'll take numpy also. We're going to take one product array. Dictionary I will take product. Second I'll take city. Third I'll take quantity. Fourth will take price. Okay. So in the product, still take laptop. Third one keyboard. Second keyboard. Third one is none. Fourth one mouse. In city, one is Bangalore. I'll take one Delhi. Third one Mumbai. One Delhi. The quantity two, one, four, six, seven. The price and all randomly 1200, 300, 600, 200, none. Okay. Now we'll convert this to our data frame using this method. PD dot data frame will pass that array. So we'll try to print this. See, we got this output. As you can see here, we have this none. First we'll execute this. See, here we have none, here none, here we have not a number. So for the this particular column, which is int type, the it has given as not a number type. Here not a number and none both are considered as same, so don't get confused. First we need to analyze this data. First we'll check how many null are there in this data. For that there is one method called as isNull. We'll use isNull on directly on this numpy array, on this panda data frame. So we got this false true this thing. So this will return as the exact table. So what it will say is, so if there is in this particular cell, if the row is the data is exist, it will return as false, means it is not null. Is it null or not? No, it is not null. What about this? Is it null or not? Yes, it is null. True, it will return. But it is hard to, it is very hard to study like, right? So in standard way, we'll chain it with the one method as we'll call it as some method. So it will return us the proper and readable format. For this product column, there is one null or not a none. They like for all the columns there is one null. Okay. Now we need to uh, clean this method. Like we need to add some values to it. Either we can there is two strategy. One is removal, another is imputation. In the imputation, you can drop the column like where and all none is there. In the imputation, we need to insert the data where and all that value is not there. So to do that, first I'll take as drop NA. So this is a method in the data frame for pandas, the drop NA, where it will drop the entire column if there is at least one null value. Okay, so like this, it dropped all the rows where and all the none is exist. Correct. If I make, or else I'll make as this none. Now execute this, execute this, execute this. See, you can able to see now. So in all the rows, there is at least one none value. So this has dropped all the values. This is not efficient way. We should not use this method because at last we got no data, right? Even we lost valid data also. So there is a better approach called as imputation approach. In the imputation, we're going to replace the data where and all none is there. For that term, say for example, there is a numerical column. Wait, let me delete these cells. See, first I'll take TF. So in this value, the product is a string, city is a string, quantity and price is a numerical. First we'll uh, update these two columns. So the concept here is, so for a none value, we can do either two things. We can append, we can replace with the mean of this column or standard deviation of this column. Okay, what will take mean quantity is equal to df quantity of mean. We're going to fill it out with Now we got by this method we're going to get this main quantity. By this fill NA will there is a one method called as fill NA. With this we're going to replace that. Okay, so if you just use this one instead of this in place true, so let's see what we'll get here. See, quantity is there but it didn't get replaced. Why? Because it won't directly affect the original data frame. It will return the copy of the data frame. To affect the original data frame we need to pass in place true. So now we'll see. Now see quantities for now it affected the quantity column and also replaced with mean. It replaced none value with mean. Okay, exactly same. We'll going to std. I will take std in of our price std standard deviation. So here price by using this std method we took the price std. Now we're going to fill NA with std in place true. Okay, now we'll just instead of executing this we'll print so we'll take one more, another cell only will print. Now we can able to see the quantity and price are get filled. So what about then what about uh, the text price, the text column, text and product? So there is none value. So here we can't able to follow this mean and stdn. Here we need to follow other methods called as mode method. So what we'll do here in this mode is here the mode method means most frequently appeared data will take frame of product product mode will take frame of product mode. So in this mode it will return a series of data where we need to take first item. So it will going to replace that all the values with this thing. This is one approach for the text column. There is another approach. Instead of taking mode you can replace with directly unknown. It is better than what null or none, right? Now we're going to print tf, then directly I'll print tf. See, so we have already filled. Sorry, this is not product, this is city. Execute. Now you can able to see in the product column we have added a mode. For city we added unknown, here mean and standard deviation. So like this you can able to handle the play and also able to clean the data in your data set, right? So this is it guys. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Until then keep watching this channel, keep watching videos. Bye bye, thank you.